I would like to explain and also to retell my story of every shit that I've done during Ramadan this year. So everybody know that this year's Ramadan is kind of different. It's very different and it's distinguishable from the last year. So actually during the Ramadan times, I have a lot of leisure time. So I'm not really sure what to do for my leisure time. So that's why sometimes I ride my motorcycle to Aceh and then spend my time there. It sounds like kind of like free time. Also, I used to play computer games until my father told me how to do it. Also, sometimes I watch YouTube to learn a lot about the Western world. Yeah, it's the Western world. Also, about let me tell you, it's about dating experience of the Westerners. I also sometimes do a workout at the local gym, the power gym. Have you ever heard of it? Have you heard of it before?
No.
Power gym. It's at Senayo, behind KFC. And also to kill my time, sometimes I also play football, like juggling. So I do it all alone because I know that I'm the only grown man there to be playing football at my suburb. I think it should be enough. Any question? Coronavirus, COVID-19 breakout. So some may believe that it is caused by some what is it? I forgot. It's not. It is the secret society which people believe they have controlled the world and wield the biggest stake. So they are controlling the world right now. It is composed of many great actors, like many big figures, like for example US President. They're actually being a member at this secret society. So people believe that they are trying to make this catastrophe to become a cataclysm. It is a new plethora for a new dawn, so a new normal as been expected. So also, sometimes also do touring with my friends. Even though I only ride Scoopy with my friends, they're all riding sport bikes. They sometimes mock me, oh, wait, are you going with us with your Scoopy? And I said, yeah, why not? I mean, it's kind of like no problem. But I didn't take it personal. That's all. I never heard of it before. Yeah.
It's very popular nowadays, especially talking about politics, geopolitics, economy, currency.
Current issue, right?
Yes, it was about world economy, about pandemic. I think you should watch his videos. It can be good videos to open your mind, expand your horizon.
That's some general knowledge I'm supposed to see. Okay, so I have spoken a few new words that you may have never heard of it before. For example, like the first one that I spoken is plethora. Plethora is a huge change. For example, like it is usually used for a systemic change, a massive, huge change. Also, the second one is catastrophe, which we simply translate to Indonesia is bencana. Also, the last one is cataclysm. It is usually catastrophe, but it brings a new change. It brings a change to life. So cataclysm is kind of like the combination between the aforementioned two. like catastrophe and plethora. So if you combine these words, you will get the meaning of cataclysm. Also, don't take it personal. Have you ever heard of it before? The meaning, jangan bawa ke hati. Jangan bawa ke hati. Don't take it personal. It's not actually, don't take it to your heart. It's don't take it personal. That's all.